Hi everyone, it is week 10 in music, and this week we are going to be reviewing our rhythms that we talked about last week. Remember, we have the beat, steady beat, stays the same, steady beat, doesn't change. And so we're going to listen for that steady beat in our songs today, but then we're also going to be using our new rhythms we talked about last week, which one of those was T-T. Remember, it has two sounds on a beat. T-T, 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 T-T. So we're going to be using those. And then we have our ta. Now, these might look familiar for those of you who have an instrument kit at home because you have these cards that you can cut out. So if you would like to, we're going to use these coming up in the next few weeks, probably next week. But you can go ahead and be using them today even, because we're going to use these rhythms in one of the songs we're going to do. But you would need 2 TTs and 2 tas if you would like to write with your rhythm cards today. But I didn't want you to have to do that at the last minute because I didn't tell you ahead of time. So for next week, if you have an rhythm card, if you would cut out your rhythms, have a grown-up help you, and we'll cut out your rhythms and make sure that you have your TTs and your tas, and you don't need the rest right now. I haven't even cut mine out all the way, but we will learn about that later on this year. But right now, we need our TTs and we need our tas cut out because we're going to be using those. So make sure those are cut out for next week, and if you don't have an instrument card, let me know and I'll get it put inside your folder from your classroom teacher that you pick up each week. And this is the rhythm pattern that we're going to be using today. So remember, the beat is what stays the same. So if you're listening to a song on the radio and you're kind of doing this, you're feeling that beat, that's the beat that you're feeling, boom, boom, boom. But the rhythms change. You have short and long sounds. And so this was our ti-ti-ta, 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 ti-ti-ta. And we're going to use that today in our song. And our new concept today is loud and soft, which we can also use the word, you'll also hear me use the word quiet. So loud and then soft or quiet. So we're going to listen to a song today that uses both. And it talks about how, or we're learning how using these soft and loud sounds, which are called dynamics, makes the song even more interesting. So I think you'll like that, really like that song. And then we've got another new song today that I think you're really going to love. So it's just going to be a great day in music. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is listen to our song of the month, which is Believe in Yourself. Now, this is the last time we'll have this song on the front of our lesson because next week is November and we'll have a new song. But let's go ahead and listen to our song of the month.
Try again. Sometimes you drop the ball. Disappointment is what that's called. Just pick it up. Throw it in.
Okay, here's our part we love to sing with.
Just believe. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself.
Just
Can't always pass the test. Even when you do your best, just let you know there's room to grow. Can't always be in charge. Can't always be the star. You can still start a winning goal.
okay, here we go.
Just believe. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Just believe. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself.
All right, and like that is our song of the month for October, even though it said July, it's our song of the month for October. All right, so we're going to go to our next thing, which is a brand new song called My Dog Rags, and I want you to see if you can come up with some movements to the song. Listen to the way that Rags moves and see if you can figure out some movements to go along with the song. Here we go.
I have a dog and his name is Rags. He eats so much that his tummy sags. His ears flip-flop and his tail wig wags. And when he walks zigzag. He goes flip-flop, wig-wag, zigzag. He goes flip-flop, wig-wag, zigzag. He goes flip-flop, wig-wag, zigzag. I love Rags, and he loves me. I have a dog, and his name is Rags. He eats so much that his tummy sags. His ears flip-flop, and his tail wig wags. And when he walks zigzag. He goes flip-flop, wig-wag, zigzag. He goes flip-flop, wig-wag, zigzag. He goes flip-flop, wig-wag, zigzag. I love Rags, and he loves me.
Oh, another great song. I hope you love that song as much as I do. Okay, we're going to go next. This is a loud and soft lesson. I'm going to let you watch that on your own. And it has some different instruments of the orchestra, and they have them playing loud and soft, and you'll get to hear those instruments play two different ways. So hopefully you can tell the difference. Then we're going to click next again, and you're going to play a game. What you're going to do is you're going to press this play button. Then you have to decide if the sound is loud, this sound over here. So you're going to see the L sound to start loud. Then over here you've got the sound to start the word soft. So if you think the sound is loud, you're going to push this one. And if you think it is soft, you're going to push this one. So let's listen to it. We're going to press play. And then you have to decide if you thought that was loud or soft. And then you'll go here to the blue arrow, and then there'll be another one that comes up, and you'll push play again. And so you're going to keep playing, and that's teacher mode. And if you want to play game mode, there's a timer that comes up and times you, but you don't have to do that. So just practice a few of those, and then you'll come down here and click next again. And then we're going to go to a brand new wonderful song called Pumpkin Bones. And the story behind Mr. Pumpkin Bones is that he does not know how to share. And so the children in the song have to show him that he needs to share, that in their neighborhood, they all share. So it goes like this. It says, have you ever heard of pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones? Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? He took all the pumpkins home. And so in that, you're going to hear the rhythm that I was talking about. Pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones. So the first time through the song, I just want you to listen to it and watch the video because it's really cute. And Mr. Pumpkin Bones has a pumpkin for a head, and so maybe he's looking for some more family members. So he's wanting to keep all those pumpkins to himself, but he's not sharing. And so the rest of the neighborhood would like some pumpkins too. So listen to the story, and the second time through, try singing along with it. The chorus is really catchy, so I think you're going to like it. And then the third time through, I'd like you to try and play with it. So we're going to do a steady beat on most of the song. We'll do a nice steady beat. When it plays quiet, you're going to play quiet. And whenever it plays loudly, or they're singing loudly, you're going to play loudly. But on the part where it says, have you ever heard of pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones. We're going to play that tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-ta. All right, should we try it one time? So I'm going to try it one time with you, playing along so you can see how to play along, but then I want you to go back and listen to it on your own. So here we go. Love this song. It'll get stuck in your head all day. Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones? Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? He took all the pumpkins home. Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones? Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? He took all the pumpkins. There he is. And just keep a nice steady beat. You heard of pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones. Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? He took all the pumpkins home. There he was, old pumpkin bones, pack of pumpkins in his home. Backroom kitchen was insane. Pumpkin bones had struck a vein. Oh no, what'll we do now that we know you? Oh no, what'll we do? Are we gonna get them back? Here we go. He went right up to his door. Be quiet. Knocked and knocked some more. Heard the footsteps and the squeaks. Laughter filled his plumpy cheeks. We said, pumpkin, that's not fair. Where we come from, we all share. Halloween's great, one thing we lack. Pumpkin, give the pumpkins back. Now back quiet. Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones? Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? He put all the pumpkins back. So I hope you love that song as much as I do. Lots of louds and softs at the end in that. And I hope you heard that rhythm. Pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones. Tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-ta. So have fun playing along with those. Then the next thing you'll have is your assessment. And then you'll be done for today. There's a couple extra songs that I put on the end. If you want to listen to those, that's great. And if not, then this is the last thing you need to do, because this is what you'll submit for today. You're going to click Start. Is this a loud sound or a soft sound? And if you think it's loud, you'll click Loud over here. And if it's soft, you click Soft. You'll have one more just like that. It'll just be a different sound. You click Play, and you have to tell whether it's loud or soft. Then you'll click this arrow again. And remember, your orange button is going to say Submit, but you're going to click the orange button, and there'll be a green button that says OK, and then you're all done for today. So I hope you have a great week and a great day, and I hope you love the songs this week, and I'll see you next time.